Yes, guys, I am here with gentlemen. Hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Peter.
I'm Peter.
Jorge?
Okay, Jorge. Yes, and you know me, your boy. Yes. Can you talk about your day here?
Yeah, this is just afternoon here on the Mossen.
Okay.
On the Knuthöjdsmossen.
Okay, and
Yeah.
I don't see any birds. Where are the birds?
Bears.
Fågel.
Bear. Birds.
Ah,
Yeah.
birds. Yeah.
Yeah, they're hiding somewhere. That's started. It's quite walky.
Okay. Yeah.
In the beginning.
Yeah, I will try to find them, guys. See you in the next. Cheetah is here. Cheetah waaye. Haram cad baa lagu dhahaa af Soomaaliga. Haram cad. Haram cad waaye. Haram cad. Kan cheetah waaye kan. Waa kan oo dheereeya waaye. Fastest animal in Africa. Fastest. Cheetah. Yeah, lions.
It's my friend,
Oh, there's the king.
the king of the jungle.
The king of the jungle. Lion.
Look,
Wow, look.
he knows I'm here.
Yeah. The king of the jungle is there. What's he doing? He's playing. He's playing with his girlfriend. Yeah, with this one.
They are fighting. He doesn't like her anymore.
Amazing.
Have you seen the camels?
No, not yet.
I'm looking for them.
Playing each other.
I could not fight that one. I will lose. Maybe I can fight the cheetah.
That's the lion. Oh, lion. The king of the jungle. There's two ladies. Wow. Yeah, he's controlling around the situation. Yeah. Oi. Huh.
She says,
Are you crazy, king?
get out of here. I'm eating.
Yeah. لبح. Hey لبح. Hey لبح. Hello أسد.
كانت قريبتكم كنت تقول ما تعسف
لبح.
With the jaw of the lion like this. It's in the Bible, in the Old Testament. Yeah, was a strong guy.
Welcome to Arnhem in the Netherlands. Shoot. There are our African animals. Yeah, there. Two lioness